Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a user dashboard with shortcodes using CubeWp. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, navigate to CubeWp, then click on User Dashboard. This section allows you to customize the tabs that will appear in the user dashboard. For this example, we'll be adding the Post Type tab. After adding the tab, make sure to click Save Changes to apply your modifications. Once you've saved your changes, CubeWp will display a shortcode for the tab you've created. Copy this shortcode as you'll need it for the next step. Then, go to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Create a new page and give it a name such as User Dashboard. In the content area of the page, paste the shortcode you copied earlier. This will embed the user dashboard into your page. Finally, after adding the shortcode, click Publish to make the page live. That's it. You've now successfully created a user dashboard using CubeWp and added it to a new page on your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.